Hello everyone, this is Joelle and welcome to the 28-day head-to-toe yoga challenge. It is lucky day 13, and that means it's time to work on our abs and our core. So let's bring the hands to the belly, closing the eyes and feeling the breath moving in and out of this area, and keeping a focus here for today's practice to remind us to keep the core engaged throughout. That's the goal. And you can open the eyes. We'll meet back on our elbows with the knees bent and the toes on the floor. And let's inhale to pull the knees towards the chest and exhale to tap the toes down. So keep that motion going with your breath, keeping the chest lifted throughout, the tummy tight, shoulders pulled together behind you. And then setting the feet down, we'll lift up onto the hands now. And floating the knees back towards the chest, extend the arms out alongside for this boat pose. We've been here before in this 28-day challenge. And if you'd like to take it a little bit further today, you could point the toes and extend the legs. Still keeping the heart lifted, abs engaged to lift you half an inch higher. And then on a long exhale, we'll set the body down, keeping the toes pointed, lowering all the way onto your back. And just take one deep breath in and out here before pulling the right knee in towards the chest. Flex the left foot. Keep the leg long as you inhale to lift it towards the sky. And exhale to lower, but don't touch the mat. And keep going, inhaling up and exhaling to hover just an inch or two off of the floor. Just a couple more here. And then last time, hover that heel just for one more inhale. And then exhale to set it down, release that knee. Pulling the left knee into the chest, flex the right foot. And we'll inhale it up and exhale to lower and float. And keep going. I know ab work isn't everyone's favorite, but we'll get through it together today. And tomorrow we'll have some wonderful ab stretches waiting for us. And last one here, hovering that heel for one more inhale. And exhale, set it down, release the other knee. Bring the hands behind the head, elbows down, cross the right ankle over the left knee. And keeping the abs tight, we're going to rock the legs from side to side. So the left foot stays on the floor. As we rock side to side, working the obliques now. Still engaging through that core. And getting a little bit of a bonus hip stretch while we're at it today. And bringing those legs back to center, uncrossing the ankle. Bringing the left ankle over the right knee now. And just keep going. So rocking side to side here. So bringing the right foot towards the ground on one side and then the left knee towards the ground on the other side. And elbows still pressing into the floor, keeping both shoulder blades on the mat. And last one here. And back to center, uncrossing that ankle. Catching hold behind the knees now to rock yourself up and give yourself a little bit of space in front of you if you need to, coming onto hands and knees. And once you've arrived, let's inhale to pull the right knee in towards the belly. Lift it higher, 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 as high as you can go. Inhale here. And exhale, set that knee down. Other side, pull the left knee in towards the chest. Lift it higher, half an inch higher. You can do it. And set it down. You could repeat that in hands and knees or meet me in plank, pressing the heels back behind you. And inhale, right knee towards the chest, lift it higher. We can do this. Pull, 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 abs tight, and set it back. And left knee in towards the chest. This is the last one. I know you can do it. I know you can lift it half an inch higher. And set it back, really nice. And gently bringing the knees back towards the ground. We'll come into Sphinx pose. I couldn't leave you without a nice Sphinx pose today. Such a good stretch for the abs. So closing the eyes, you control how far forwards or back the elbows go. Shoulder blades tight together behind you. And coming back to the breath here. And let's take one more inhale together. And exhale to lift our way up, making your way to any seated position that you'd like and bringing the hands back onto the belly for a little mini massage here in a clockwise direction. Just thanking our core for holding us up, keeping us going every day, the very center of our body. And once you're ready, you can release that motion, bringing the hands back to prayer in front of the heart. And take a few final deep breaths into that abdomen area as you notice how you're feeling. And as promised, tomorrow on day 14 in our challenge, we'll have some delicious stretches for those abs, so make sure you tune in, and I will see you then. Very well done today. Thank you for joining me, and have a beautiful day. Namaste.